Need to update your billing address with Bank of America? Here's the full step-by-step guide to do it directly in the app. First, open the Bank of America mobile app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon. That's the three lines in the upper left corner of your screen. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Profile Settings. Now select Contact Information. Here, you'll see your current billing address. Tap the Edit button next to it. Enter your new billing address carefully, making sure all fields like street, city, state, and zip code are accurate. After that, tap Save to confirm. Your billing address will now be updated across your Bank of America profile, and any future statements or communications will reflect this new information. Note, it might take a few minutes for the change to appear across all your accounts. And that's it. Quick and easy. Follow for more helpful banking tutorials, and let me know if you want a guide on updating your phone number or email next.